Hi everyone and welcome to the new module. This is our last Excel module on getting and managing data. And I just wanted to walk through a couple of the things that you have here in this module. You do have a SimBook assignment, and note that this module is available for 2 weeks. So make sure you're planning accordingly for when you are working on your materials and not waiting until the last minute. So as I said, you have one SimBook that corresponds with the chapter, and you have 2 projects. And the 2 projects you'll see, this is Guided Project 4-3, and then this one here, an advanced project. If you click on this link here, I do have some information that should help you in completing the steps. There were a couple of tricky things in that project, so hopefully that will help you out. The other assignment you have then is the discussion. So at this point you know what you are expected to do for your discussions. Be sure that you are posting your response and then replying to other students. And the earlier you do that, the better able you are to have time to reply. Last thing I want to mention is at the end of this module, there will be an exam on Excel. I will make a practice exam available at the end of this week so that you'll have some time to explore the environment. It is through the SimNet tool, so it is quite sensitive. So I do recommend that you go through the practice exam several times before you take the actual exam. In the actual exam, you will have 2 attempts per question, but again, it is a very sensitive tool, so don't assume that that means that you can just jump right in. I would recommend you do your practice exams first. And then lastly, I do want to mention that the exam itself is available for 2 days at the end of this module, and I will not accept it late. There are no redos on this one, so please be sure you are looking at the schedule and familiar with the dates. After this, we'll be moving on to Access, and the Microsoft Access application must be installed on a Windows machine in order for you to complete your assignments. You cannot do it through the browser, and it cannot be installed on a Mac. So do be sure that you have thought this through and you have the right device to work on for the assignments. Remember that the free installation through the college, you can install onto up to 5 devices. So if you have a family member that has a Windows machine, you have a Mac, maybe you can install on a family member's machine for your use for completing the coursework. So keep that in mind, but contact me if you have any questions or concerns.